Welcome to the channel. It's AlmightyDen and I'm back again. Today I'm here to talk to y'all about crypto.com and the CRO coin. This weekend is the Super Bowl. We have the Bengals, we have the Rams. Let me know who you think is going to win, especially if you're a sports gambler out there. If you're out there using DraftKings, FanDuel, get it up with me because I do like to place a lot of bets as well, a lot of parlays. I don't only invest in stocks and trade stocks, but I do like to gamble some as well. I'm a jack of all trades when it comes to these things. So if you like this video, if you like crypto.com, you like gambling, you like trading, you like investing, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Like the video as well. But having the commercials during the Super Bowl is a very big deal, seeing as how a lot of people watch the Super Bowl. It's one of the most watched sporting events that there is. And the more people that see the commercial could lead to more people actually using crypto.com, which could lead to more people using or buying CRO coin. Now, if you buy CRO coin, there's a lot of reasons and incentives to hold the coin. You can stake it, you can earn passive income, you can get the Visa rewards card, which if you use the card, you will be earning CRO coin on purchases, as well as you can stake it and earn even more, as well as the reward card also comes with other perks. Well, if you stake enough, you can get Spotify for free, you can get Netflix for free, Amazon Prime for free. Now, of course, you have to stake a lot, and some of them, with the highest being 400,000, with the cheapest being 0, and the more reasonables being $404,000. But there are incentives and reasons to holding it as well. Now, you know me, I'm a VVS finance type of a guy, so I come over here and I stake my CRO-VVS finance over here and earn about 128% APR on VVS finance. So that's good for me. But with that being said, the Super Bowl and crypto.com is a major opportunity to market this thing. They're calling the Super Bowl the Crypto Bowl right now because there's going to be other companies out there marketing their products, of course, like always. And this is one of the major times to do it. Now, I've always been comparing crypto.com to Binance because Binance does have a higher valuation in the crypto market. But as you can see, just as a following per se, you can see crypto.com has 1.7 million followers on Twitter, whereas Binance has 7.6 million. So crypto.com does have some ways to catch up, but they are aggressively marketing. If you look at the header alone, this used to be the Staples Center. It's now crypto.com arena. You got UFC promoting, you got NBA promoting crypto.com, whereas Binance, I don't see as much marketing, per se. But Binance is already well established, more so than crypto.com at this point. But crypto.com is more aggressive. It's look like it's trying to push it out there a lot faster, and they are definitely being quick to continue to upgrade the platform and provide new features and different things for us to do, including buying NFTs. They have DeFi wallets now, so it's a very good platform to be on. And with that being said, if you look at the chart itself, you can see that we hit about 99 cents, close to $1 at the highs. And we're back right now about 47 cents. Now, I said, look, it could possibly reject and start the range trade, possibly consolidate. And I always said I wouldn't be surprised if it came back all the way down to the 22-cent range. Wouldn't be surprised. I have the Fibonacci's drawn up here. And as you can see, it bounced off the 618, had a smaller bounce here, then pulled back down, and then retested the 618 again and had some rejection. So as you can see there, this thing could come down a little bit further. Hopefully it can either form some support right here or bounce off this most crucial support level that I would say that we have currently at about 22 cents. Maybe that will happen, maybe it won't. We have to keep our eyes on Bitcoin as well. But what I do want you to do is zoom out. If you zoom out on this chart, you will see that it was an accumulation range from about August, really July, all the way to about October. So that's a good amount of time. That's a month right there, from about August, July to October. It was accumulating in this range from about 5 cents to about 25 cents. So if you were accumulating in that range, it worked out for you in this run here. You know what I'm saying? So now, if you look at it, it's really not that far removed from the highest of this range of 25 cents. That's not even, that is almost about 100% move. But in the crypto world, that's only about, well, from 20 cents, of course, that's about almost 30 cents. But from 5 cents, that's a good gain and all. But it's still very early in the process of the chart itself. If you look at it, a lot of the time, these crypto charts go absolutely exponentially crazy. Now, right here, it looked like it was trying to, but I think it has a lot. When I say a lot more room to grow. And especially if you look at crypto.com, coinmarketcap.com rather, and like I said, we're comparing this to BNB, which is at a $65 billion market cap. $65 billion market cap today. Whereas Crypto.com is at a $12 billion market cap. That's almost pretty much about a 6x. I'm roughly estimating right there. Well, really about a 5. Well, kind of between 5, but that's about 6. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go roughly. If you round this up to 7 and round this down to 10, that's a 7x. So I'm gonna say roughly 6x, a little bit over that. But if you look at the chart itself, it's still very, very, very early. Very, very early. I mean, Binance is a top 3 cryptocurrency. If you look how the drop off goes from the top 3 to the top 15, top 20, you can see that that's a big difference in price. Top 3 is what? Well, top 4 now. BNB is the Tether USDT has surpassed that one. That's a stable coin. So BNB is right now currently at top 4 cryptocurrency, but it's at 65 billion. And if you look at the top 20, the 20th one is only 8 billion. So that's a very big change right there. And if you look at crypto.com, it has a lot of room to grow. A lot of room to grow. It's at top 16 right now, and it could definitely climb up very, very quickly. I see these two as like crypto banks. You know, that's really what I like to see them as, is people are staking their coins in there, buying crypto, staking it, earning it passively. Is no different to me as putting your money in a bank and then just letting them sit there and collecting interest on that while they're just using your money. Now, that's really no difference in my thoughts and opinions. But like I said, the way they're promoting this is looking very, very good. I do want to accumulate in this range. I do feel like maybe if I can accumulate now, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you zoom out and you just look at the history of the chart, you know, you could accumulate. You see, sometimes it has these runs. It's in the past, it's had these runs and it's pulled back down. That's just the volatility of the crypto market. If we're in one of those accumulation periods, which I feel like we are, before we have another big run up, I'm comfortable with adding as this thing goes lower. I feel like the lower it goes, the more I can get, and I'll be adding throughout this process. Now, the thing to understand this as well. Is a lot of the times, a lot of moves in the stock market and in the crypto market are based off of, you know, the Federal Reserve, the Fed and monetary policies, given of how they want to inject more money into the economy, provide stimuluses and all this type of stuff. A lot of those decisions affect the price movements in this as well, because the more money we have pumped into the economy, a lot of the time, the more the things get bullish and the more people are more comfortable investing in stocks and crypto. People aren't investing in stocks and crypto. They want to be on the sidelines. They want to hold cash. Then a lot of times the prices will come down. But at the same time, sometimes that might be the best time to buy. Now, I'm no financial advisor. I'm not out here giving out financial advice. I'm just telling y'all my thoughts and my opinions, what I see and how I feel about it and what's going on. But I am a big fan of crypto.com nonetheless. Just because the price is coming down doesn't mean the fundamentals of the company are decreasing. The fundamentals of the company are looking better and better each day. I feel like they're getting more users. If this was a stock per se, and they had an earnings report, you know what I'm saying, that would be a bit more transparent. But since this is in the crypto world, you can follow them on Twitter, and a lot of times they'll drop different stats and facts about what's going on. And you can even look at it yourself and go to the white paper of the crypto crow coin as well and see how it actually works. So it's a bit transparent in that part as well. But with that being said, I am a big fan of crypto.com. If you will be watching Super Bowl, let me know who you're going to think is going to win down below. Bengals, Rams, I'm definitely looking for a chance to play a parlay, maybe some Jamar Chase touchdowns, maybe some Odell Beckham touchdowns. Maybe the Rams will win, maybe the Bengals will win. I just hope that it's a good game. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that like button, hit that sub button, turn those notifications on. Until next time, Densky out.